wish you could deliver your Twitch streams, Zoom meetings, or YouTube videos without looking like you're reading from a script or glancing off screen? Well, this just might be the game changer you've been waiting for. This is the Elgato Prompter, a sleek built-in display teleprompter that promises crystal clear communication, natural eye contact, and zero distractions. No clunky tablets, no awkward camera rigs, just plug in, drop in your script and Twitch chat, and go live. In this video, I'm unboxing the prompter, walking you through setup, testing it across a few real-world use cases from video calls to live streaming, and giving you my honest final thoughts on whether it's worth adding to your creator setup. Basic unboxing here. Here's the teleprompter, and we're going to quickly remove two pieces of tape and open it right up. Get connected. We're going to remove the basic packaging elements, and the teleprompter is already assembled. You rip off the sheath, and as you can see, there's the monitor, there's the teleprompter, it's ready to go. A DSLR plate, and some instructions. The teleprompter also comes with this great cable. It's about 6 feet long, has USB-A to USB-C that powers everything. Here is the teleprompter shroud, as well as the DSLR conversion kit, and that's what we'll be using instead of the Facecam Pro. This is what they're calling the step-up rings kit, and this essentially allows you to attach any lens to the teleprompter. So we will not be using this DSLR plate, so we'll put that off to the side. We're going to use this ring, which is the 82mm. We'll attach it to the plate, and essentially once we get that installed, we'll be able just to mount the teleprompter itself to my camera. There won't be an additional stand needed. So we're going to quickly flip this over. We see those two screws. What we're going to do is we're going to remove those, and the Facecam Pro plate just pops right out, and we pop in our DSLR conversion kit. Really, really simple. We screw back in the two screws, and we're basically ready to go. So let's attach it to our camera. Okay, I want to show you how brilliant this is. The teleprompter itself is very light, meaning I don't really have to have a stand for it. I just literally put it on my lens. Check this out. So what's great about this is it's so light that with the attached ring adapter that goes onto your lens, you just literally set it on your lens and the camera can hold it. And I just set it on the ring and look, it's on. It's sitting on the actual camera itself. This is awesome. Okay, we have everything set up. We have 3 cameras going. We have this camera over here that's recording the actual teleprompter so you can see it working. We have this camera over here recording the software so you can see how that's working. And obviously, right here, I'm just using the stock script to see how everything functions. So I'm gonna hit play. Oh, wait, we should back it up. We should back it up. Go to the beginning. Oh, that's fantastic. Ready to roll the camera. Whether it's a video script or talking points, Camera Hub and Prompter give you full control over your delivery. Here in text mode, Prompter automatically mirrors anything you enter onto its screen. This way you can stay on script while maintaining natural eye contact with your audience. We're gonna do something. I wanna see how easy it is to edit the script. So I'm gonna hit pause for just a moment, and I'm gonna go get rid of this emoji, right? Let's go here. So I'm gonna get rid of the emoji, boom. Is it instant? It is instant. You can adjust your script in real time. That is fantastic. This is great. I'm really excited because I wanted to do this video on Nintendo the other day, and there were so many features that I wanted to show and talk about, and my teleprompter setup is not that great. And this is giving me a great opportunity to possibly film that Nintendo video now, and I'm pretty excited about it. I'm gonna do a new script. I'm gonna hit minus on this. I'm gonna do new script. New script goes here, boom. There it is. All right, so I have my new script. Can I just name it? Rename. Let's name it Nintendo Direct. Let's just call it Switch 2. Switch 2. I'm gonna hit save. All right, we have it. Let's just go in. All right, I haven't even read this yet. Scrolling, scroll speed. Let's go to 40% because I read pretty fast. And there we go. We're good. All right, let's play. Let's see how this works. After an excruciating 3-month wait since the initial teaser, Nintendo has officially dropped the curtain on the long-rumored Switch 2 during its massive April 2nd Nintendo Direct event. We've got the full breakdown, hardware specs, Joy-Con redesign, GameCube nostalgia, brand new games, and some huge changes to Nintendo's online strategy. And yes, we even got a release date and price before the tariffs, right? This is great. I'm having a great time. This seems to be just absolutely fantastic. So pairing this with, ChatGPT, throwing this into my teleprompter and allowing me to just quickly turn over content, I think we're all about it. People, this is an epic win. The software looks fantastic. I mean, look at this. We can adjust the scroll speed. We can adjust the reading position. Let's see if I bump this over to the left, like what happens here, right? I can adjust where the teleprompter starts it. Okay, that's pretty cool. So yeah, I want it in the middle. I want to highlight the text. What is pointer? What is this? If I hit this, what happens? Show overlay. Oh, okay, so it shows me exactly where the camera center is. That's pretty cool. We like that. Look at that. That's cool. If I do this, what else is it? Snap. Oh yeah, I like that actually. I'm gonna have it turned off for now, I believe, but it gives you like a central, no, I want it in here. Let's bring this, can I bring it down a hair? Because I know, oh, you can adjust it. Right there, that's dead center. That's exactly where I want that. All right, I mean, this software is pretty self-explanatory. Like, I don't have to do a long video on this because everything looks just fantastic. The UI is incredible and it's working. Okay, so now we're just doing a basic Google Meet call. I've tossed onto my Elgato Prompter my friend Tyler Carey. And Tyler, how do we look? Do we sound okay? Do we look okay?
Looks amazing, sounds amazing. It looks like really professional.
Okay, I mean, this is good. I mean, thank you. What would you rate it on a scale of 1 to 10? Like this experience versus like a traditional FaceTime, camera, etc.
I mean, this is incredible. Usually on a video call, people are just like looking down, like if I am right now, I'm just looking down at my phone screen or my laptop screen, and I'm looking at my screen instead of at the camera, but it looks like you're looking directly at me with eye contact. It looks amazing. I want this for my setup.
Okay, cool. Well, thank you so much for your time, dude. You free for dinner later? Because we should grab dinner later.
Let's grab dinner.
All right, let's grab dinner. I'll see you there. So that's the Elgato Prompter, and without question, this is the best teleprompter I've ever used. It has made making this YouTube video, in fact, super incredibly easy. I just drop in my scripts and bam, hit record, and I'm done. The hardest part about making videos now is just editing them, which is kind of great. So some final thoughts. It is incredibly easy to set up. You just plug it in, throw it on a tripod, and you're good to go. So the only con isn't actually a fault of the teleprompter itself. It's just I don't have enough USB-C ports, and I had to unplug a few things to actually get it connected to my Mac laptop. Now, that's not a problem. It's just now in the future, I might consider getting a Mac Studio for my local desk setup. So might have to get on that. So yeah, I think it's an epic win. W's all around. This is probably the best thing I've purchased within the last 2 years. And I'm really excited that it's gonna take my videos to the next level. So that's gonna do it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you here next time on Elevate TV. Peace.